1, 2, 3. Sit down, sit down. All you need, have your seat. Ayan. We're going to have our tender going now. Okay, we're going to sing the happy birthday. Ayan, with the music. The slow one and the fast one. Okay, so I'm calling all the guests. You here inside and join us in singing happy birthday. Okay, so ready? Okay?
Happy birthday to you.
Come on, everybody sing!
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Let's clap our hands! Happy birthday to you! Everybody! Happy birthday to you! Come on! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yes, now you may blow the candle. Blow, blow, blow. Yes! Hip, hip! Happy birthday! Okay, so can you lower the music for that? Now, it's time to have their wish for Brianna. Okay, who wants to go first? As traditional, ladies first. Daddy first, okay, Daddy? What is your wish for Brianna's third birthday?
Ang wish ko.
Hello, William.
Ay, sana lumaki kang mabait na bata, matasaling, bigyan ka ng malakas na pangatawan lagi. Lumaki may takot sa'yo. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Anna. Love you.
Happy birthday, Rihanna. Always remember, we are so proud of you. And alam ko kaya-kaya mo lahat ng time. And lumaki na may takot sa Diyos. And thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta. Appreciate po namin kayo lahat. Thank you po.
How about ikaw, baby? Thank you daw. Okay, so, ayan. Ito, giveaway. Nga pala, may pabitin pa. Let's put the chairs on the side. Let's put the chairs on the side. Okay, come on.